Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a true gem for film photography enthusiasts, the Canon SureShot 115U 35mm camera. This little powerhouse, despite its compact dimensions of roughly 6 by 8 by 2 inches, packs a surprising punch, making it an excellent companion for anyone looking to capture moments on classic 35mm film. Right off the bat, one of the standout features is its versatile 3x zoom lens. This isn't just any zoom. It's designed to give users flexibility, whether they're shooting wide landscapes or getting a bit closer to their subject without having to physically move. For a point-and-shoot, that kind of optical range is incredibly useful and really expands the creative possibilities. What truly sets the SureShot 115U apart in its class is its intelligent design for ease of use. It comes equipped with 5 programmed shooting modes, which means the camera can adapt to various lighting conditions and scenarios, taking the guesswork out of exposure settings. This makes it perfect for both beginners just getting into film and seasoned photographers who want a reliable, no-fuss option. Focusing is a breeze, thanks to its sophisticated 3-point autofocus system. This system ensures that subjects are sharp and clear, even when they're not perfectly centered in the frame. No more blurry shots, because the camera couldn't lock onto your subject. It's a feature that significantly boosts the keeper rate of your photos. And let's talk about the built-in flash. It's not just there for low-light situations. It also includes red eye reduction, a crucial feature that helps prevent those dreaded glowing eyes in portraits. This means more natural-looking photos, especially when shooting indoors or at night. Plus, for those group shots or self-portraits, the 10-second self-timer is an absolute lifesaver, giving you plenty of time to get into position and smile. The Canon SureShot 115U truly embodies the spirit of accessible film photography. It's a camera that doesn't overwhelm with complex menus, but instead empowers users with smart, automated features that consistently deliver great results. Its robust build, combined with its thoughtful feature set, makes it a fantastic choice for anyone wanting to experience the magic of 35mm film without the steep learning curve. It's more than just a camera. It's a gateway to rediscovering the joy of tangible photographs.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.